Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. In this video, we will examine their features, specifications, and user experiences to help you make an informed decision on which washing machine is right for you. Let's get started. When it comes to washing capacity, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub offers a slightly higher capacity, with 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer has a capacity of 11 pounds. This makes the Giantex a better option for those who need to wash larger loads at once, while the BLACK+DECKER is designed for more efficient washing with its fully automatic features. The Giantex washing machine operates semi-automatically, requiring manual intervention for different stages of washing. This can be a drawback for those seeking convenience. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER is fully automatic, offering multiple wash cycles and settings that allow users to simply load their laundry and let the machine do the work. This makes the BLACK+DECKER a more user-friendly option for busy households. In terms of features, the Giantex is quite basic, lacking pre-programmed cycles and having a noisier operation. Conversely, the BLACK+DECKER comes equipped with 6 wash cycles, temperature settings, and a stainless steel tub for durability. These additional features not only enhance the washing experience, but also provide greater versatility for different laundry needs. In conclusion, both the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for an affordable, compact solution for small loads, the Giantex may be the right choice for you. However, if you prioritize features, convenience, and durability, the BLACK+DECKER is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.